What's up, leopards? If you are watching this video, then you've already clicked on this button right here. We're gonna learn how to make our own peanut butter jam. It has nothing to do with food. Well, at least eating food. What we're gonna do is go to the next slide, and we're gonna use this cool little thing to make some rhythms for something that we make up ourselves and that you can be very proud of because it's super awesome. So basically, you're going to click on this picture and then you click this make a copy button. Now, I know last time I did this, some people had a hard time because I didn't do the link right, but I'm being extra careful this time, learning from my mistakes. And so what you're going to do is you're going to get your own slide that has all of these pictures on it. Please try not to worry about any of this stuff up here. If you want, you can even click that button and make a lot of it go away. But all you're going to do is you're going to decide how you want your rhythm to sound. But first, let's talk about what each of these sound like. All right, when you say the word peanut butter, it has 4 sounds, peanut butter, and they come fast. So you could tap on your legs, you could go peanut butter. When you say the word jelly, you say them a little bit slower. So you could just tap 2 fingers and say jelly. And when you say jam, it has 1 sound. And when you go shh, that's supposed to be a rest. So all you have to do is drag whatever you want up here. So let's say I want to go jelly, jam, peanut butter, shh. So all I would do is say jelly, jam, peanut butter, shh. Jelly, jam, peanut butter, shh. Jelly, jam, peanut butter, shh. And once you find one that you like, you can actually just do a couple. You can try to experiment. If you hit the key Command Z, it'll take away the ones that you did, or you can just delete them. Let's say I want to go jelly peanut butter jam. There you go. Jelly peanut butter jam. Jelly peanut butter jam. Jelly peanut butter jam. And that's it. Once you're done with that, I guess you will have to click on that. Go ahead and share it with me. So you can click share, and then you type in ABACOT, and you can click on my name there. Or you can just type in Baco, I think works too. So you click on Baco, and there it is. That's my last name. All right, leopards, good luck, have fun, and do your best. If it doesn't work, just send me a message and you'll be fine. Don't worry about it. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed the music lesson this week. Bye-bye.